Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Emma Glory, your friendly email marketing and CRM expert, and in today's video we are going to be seeing something very important. And as we all know, we teach CRM in this channel and we teach everything CRM and email marketing, and for some time now I have been teaching about various CRM softwares like Zoho CRM, like HubSpot, and I came to realize that I have not really thought about CRM. So I know a lot of people do not even know what CRM is and what it can be used for and how every business needs a CRM. But in today's video, we are going to be seeing what a CRM is and how each business should have a CRM. We are going to be clearing one of the biggest misconceptions in the business world, and that is every business do not need a CRM. That is actually a big lie. If you have a business, you definitely need a CRM. And also, a lot of people think they know what a CRM is, and the truth of the matter is they do not know. And if you ask them what a CRM is, they always say something like their CRM is their Excel sheets, or the CRM is in their brain, and it doesn't work that way. Your mind is not your CRM, your brain is not your CRM. And today we are going to be breaking down what a CRM really is and why every business, including the small ones, need a CRM. So if you've ever asked yourself this question, do you really need a CRM if you have an Excel file already, or an Excel sheet that contains everything about your business, or is CRM really for big businesses, or does CRM really actually helps to make more money? You are in the right spot, because today we are going to be breaking all of those misconceptions and we're going to be talking about every one of these. So first of all, let us see what a CRM is. So what exactly is a CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it is like your memory storage of your business where it never forgets anything. So think of it like a strategy and a tool, and it's going to help you to manage how you interact with your leads and how you interact with your contacts and how you interact with the customers and prospects that come into your business. And also it is even going to help you to interact with those people that are not even thinking of buying your product. That is very amazing, because imagine you having all of your leads in one place, having all of your contacts in one place, and at the same time you can be able to build a relationship with them even in that same software and in that same tool. So one thing I say about CRM is that it's not just a tool, it is also a strategy that helps your business grow. So instead of having contacts scattered in your phone, in your WhatsApp, in one random sticky note you have in your Google Sheets, and even in your mind, a CRM is going to help you put all of this in one place, and it's going to be like that clean and organized drawer. So imagine you have a real estate business and leads are coming from multiple places, like your Instagram DMs, like your website. Leads are coming from referral, and even those people that are coming from the physical people. And it's going to get a bit messy. It's going to get a bit messy if you do not have a CRM. So you are going to need a CRM to be able to help you put all of these contacts in one place, and you are going to know who your leads are, you are going to know where they are coming from, and you are going to know what stage they are currently at. And you will also be able to know what next move you need to do for each of those contacts. So it's like having that personal assistant where they never sleep and they never forget. You know, a human assistant cannot do that for you, and that is why you need a CRM. So let's just do a quick recap. A CRM is like a CRM is a tool that helps you combine all of your contacts, all of your leads, all of your deals, all in one place. So you don't have to have contacts in multiple places. You can have every of your contacts in one place. So contacts that are coming from your website, or that are coming from your Instagram DMs, or that they are coming from everywhere that you have contacts in, you can be able to bring them into one place. So let us see what a CRM actually does. So you might be thinking, what is the essence of the CRM? So let me just talk about 5 main stages of what a CRM can be used for, or let's see 5 most important things a CRM can do. So the first one is your contact management. CRM is going to help you have all of your contacts in one place along with their history, and you don't need to start doing any guesswork, and you don't need to start cracking your brain. Who is this lead? Who is this contact? Where are they coming from? The CRM is going to help you manage everything, and you can be able to see the history of each of your contacts. So if they are coming from your website, you can be able to see in your CRM that they are coming from your website, and if they are coming from referrals, you can be able to see in your CRM if they are coming from referrals. So the contact management is very amazing. because you do not need to have contacts in displaced in everywhere or in all of those places. You can have them in one place. So another thing is CRM is used for is the sales pipeline management. And what this means is that you can be able to manage all of your deals in one place. CRM is going to help you to see where each of your customers are. So you can literally see where every customer is in the buying journey. So it's like a map to your sale. You are going to see at every stage where each of the contacts are. So if your contacts are booking a call, you can see if your contacts have booked a call, or you can see if you've been able to send proposal to some contacts. You can see those contacts that are under the stage of negotiation, or you can even see those contacts that are still in the nurturing process. So this is going to help you to be able to see all of the leads and all of the contacts in your sales pipeline. So another thing a CRM does is the follow-up and the task automation. This is actually very amazing because we do not want to lose customer, and most businesses actually get customers, but they do not nurture them and they do not follow up with those customers, and it leads to them losing these leads. And we do not want that, and that is where a CRM comes in. So a CRM is going to help you to be able to create all these automations where you can be able to follow up with your leads immediately. So let's say you have a call with a client, you can be able to set up a task automation that is going to allow you to be able to follow up with this client. Or it's going to even create an automation where it's going to create a task and you can be able to send an email to that particular client. Most businesses do not lose customers because the customers are not interested. They lose customers because there is no follow-up. And actually, it's okay for you to forget to follow up. We are humans. Another reason why we need a CRM is to help us save time. So automation is going to help us to save a lot of time. And the tasks we are actually supposed to do manually, we can be able to set an automation for that. And the CRM is going to help us take that up and set out all of these tasks automatically. Another reason why we need CRM is to understand our business. And we have reporting, we have our leads, we have the history and everything, we have the sales pipeline. We having a CRM is going to help us have an in-depth understanding on how our business operates, and even along the line you can be able to tweak some of these processes and some of these changes in your CRM as you move on. Instead of having everything is organized in different places, you can be able to have all of this data in one place, and it is going to help you look more professional and more organized. So let's move on to the common misconceptions about CRM and how we can be able to break all of these misconceptions down. The number one misconception I hear about CRM is that you just need to have a CRM if you are a big business. That is actually a very big lie. You do not need to wait until you are as big as 20 team members or 30 team members for you to have a CRM. You can start now. You can start even as a one-man business, and you can start using a CRM. Another one great misconception I hear is that CRM is going to make your system robotic. Yes, it can. That is if you make the process robotic. There is a way you can be able to make all of these processes and all of your communications and all of the systems, you can make them human, and you can also make them relatable to each of your contacts. You can personalize your emails. You can make sure that it is not robotic and it is not rigid, and it is according to your sales process and even according to each of your leads. Another misconception I hear is that CRMs are very expensive and complicated. Yes, there are some CRMs that are very complicated out there. There are also some CRMs that are very expensive. That is kind of true, but one thing that is not true is that all CRMs are complicated or all CRMs are expensive. There are some free CRMs out there, and there are some CRMs that are very affordable, which you can actually start with. You do not need to have $1,000 for you to start using CRM. You do not need to have $2,000 to start using CRM. You can start with as low as $30, even sometimes as low as $19, and you can start using these CRMs. So there are a lot of free CRMs and there are a lot of low-cost CRMs out there which you can be able to jump on. The last misconception I hear about CRM is that you need to be tech savvy for you to be able to use a CRM. That is actually not true. I don't know where you people hear these misconceptions from. You do not need to be a software engineer for you to start using a CRM. You do not need to be a software developer for you to use a CRM. There are a lot of CRMs out there that are very easy to use and they are user friendly, and you can be able to use them accordingly to how your capacity is. And even if you get to a CRM where you need to have a bit of a learning curve, there are a lot of CRMs that are out there that helps you with onboarding process. They give you videos, they give you help guides that can be able to help you set up your CRMs. And also you can reach out to an CRM expert which is going to train you, like we do here in CRM Instructor. We can train you on how to use the various CRMs that you have, and you can get doing. You do not need to have certifications before you can use your CRM software. You do not need to be a software engineer for you to use your CRM software. You can start from somewhere. Yeah, as time goes on, then you can grow into something bigger. Another thing is, do not wait until your business is grown before you start using a CRM. A CRM is going to help you grow, and you do not need to wait until you are so grown for it to start using a CRM. You can start from now. You can start managing your leads in your CRM. You can start managing your contacts in your CRM. You can start tracking all of your deals in your CRM. So remember that CRM help you build healthy relationship, and it's going to even help you build stronger relationship with your customers, with your contacts. So you need a CRM. If you're a small business owner, or you are a medium business owner, or you have a team of 2 members or a team of 10 members, start using a CRM to track all of your contacts. And if you have a CRM that you are not using properly, we have some free guidelines that can help you track how to use your CRM properly. So now that you know what a CRM is and what a CRM is used for, if this video has helped you a lot, please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel so you can be able to get amazing content like this. And also, I would like to know the type of CRM you are using, so comment that below and let me know the kind of CRM you are using. And also, if you also need help with your CRM, there is a free discovery call link that you can book a call with us, and we can take you through the process where we can be able to help you get your new CRM. If you are having issues also with deciding on the CRM to use, you can also book that free discovery call. The link is below in the description. You can book that call and we can help you with that. And remember that the free discovery call only has 10 slots in a month, so make sure to grab yours. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.